It's just
Have you ever wondered how paint is made?
from raw chemicals to the perfect color on your walls, it's a fascinating process.
Have you ever wondered how paint is made?
From raw chemicals to the perfect color on your walls, it's a fascinating process. This is a modern paint manufacturing facility where science, technology, and precision come together. Paint begins with raw materials, pigments for color, resins for binding, solvents for consistency, and special additives for durability.
All ingredients are pre-mixed to create a uniform base before grinding. Solvents control thickness and drying time, ensuring smooth application.
The best of space and process.
Filtration removes impurities, ensuring a flawless finish.
Temperature control is critical to maintain paint quality and chemical stability.
Temps. Pigments determine the color and opacity of paint. Each shade requires exact measurement.
It just started with the straight shades. Durability tests simulate years of wear in real-world conditions.
Automated systems fill thousands of cans with perfect accuracy. Labels provide product details, safety instructions, and color information. Finished products are packed and prepared for distribution.
From here, paint is shipped to stores and construction sites worldwide.
Resins act as the backbone of paint, helping it stick to surfaces and form a protective film.
From raw chemicals to colorful walls, paint manufacturing is a perfect blend of science and creativity. Thanks for watching.